Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to bring you along as I do some power cleaning in my house on a Sunday, because I share these power cleaning videos on my Instagram stories all the time and you guys are always telling me how much you love them, so I decided to make it into an actual video. So I have my kitchen island pushed to the side here because I'm cleaning the rug that goes underneath it, so I'm just going ahead and giving this a good deep clean. This will be really entertaining to watch as well because for the majority of it, Miles is awake, so it's kind of like power cleaning my house with a toddler. Here he's insisting that I play different songs for him on my phone. Here's another way that I'm entertaining him while I'm cleaning, giving him some Cheerios. Kids love Cheerios, guys. Another way that I keep my toddler entertained, pots and pans. As I am cleaning and picking things up, he is taking things out, of course. Okay, so I noticed that Miles was starting to get fussy, so we went upstairs to just get changed, and I decided to pick up his room really quick. And then somebody stole the camera. I'll let you guys who it was, but not only is cleaning with toddlers hard, also filming YouTube videos with toddlers is also hard. Okay, so I'm not doing anything too crazy in his room. I'm just picking up all of his stuff and getting it put out of the way because he is gonna go down for a nap pretty soon here. Again, toddler steals the camera. All right, and this is the room. Once it's picked up, it'll probably stay this picked up for about 5 minutes before Miles completely destroys it again. Case in point being him getting rid of my decorative pillow. All right, quickly going to get the dishes done with Miles' help before I put him down for a nap. Okay, Miles is down for his nap, so now it is time to really power clean this house. I'm gonna deep clean my sink, and I've shared this before. My favorite way to do this is with baking soda and a good scrubby brush, a little bit of water. It gets stainless steel sinks so clean. It's disgusting how dirty they get in such a short period of time. I also had time to give my stove a good deep clean, so I took all the pieces off so I could just clean them in the sink. And then I'm just gonna wipe the whole thing down, clean all the grates off. Again, this is another thing in the kitchen that just gets dirty so fast, it's unbelievable. And then finally, I'm going to wipe down all my stainless steel appliances. My father-in-law turned me on to these Wyman stainless steel wipes. Oh my God, they're so good. We have so much stainless steel in our kitchen. It gets so smudged and gross so quick, and these things are miracle workers. I don't know how it works, but it's magic for stainless steels. Moving on to my sunroom, which I'm slightly embarrassed by how messy this room has gotten because it's really become a catch-all room where just everything ends up. And today, but I'm finally tackling it, so let's get this mess cleaned up.
I can take you anywhere you want. Something
This room also becomes the catch-all for Amazon boxes. And I try to be really good about like breaking down my Amazon or just like any online shopping boxes as they come in, but these were like some diapers I bought in the wrong size and they've been sitting there for too long. So finally taking all of this down. I feel like it's 2020, everybody has like Amazon boxes somewhere in their house, but okay. All right, and then I am moving on to our little like family living room space, which I'm not doing crazy clean in here, but I'm gonna get it picked up while the little guy is asleep. Moving on to the bathroom, which is really hard. Our bathroom is really small and kind of hard to film, so this will be tricky, but I was overdue for a nice, good clean in this room, so I'm really glad that I had time to get it done. Sometimes I feel like, is there anything more satisfying than finally having your medicine cabinet like really organized when you've neglected it for too long? For me, it like feels so amazing. Please tell me in the comments that I am not alone. Okay, I'm moving on to our shower, and I use a scrub brush and CLR in our shower. I try to stick to like green cleaning products as much as I can, but we have hard water, and this is the only thing I have found that gets rid of the hard water stains. So I don't use it every single time that I clean our shower, but I use it probably like 8 times a year just to get the hard water stains. Also, the floors in the bathroom of our new house are these really pretty like basket weave stone, but I found them really hard to clean. So if you have any tricks for cleaning this type of tile floor, please let me know in the comments because I'm struggling. There's a plan behind it. I can't do this on my own. Okay, we're on to the next day because the one task of my bedroom I didn't get done on Sunday, and I really wanted to get it done. This is the Bears Beats Battle Galactica, the office sweatshirt that I shared with you guys in like a holiday gift guide on my blog, and so many of you guys bought it. I ended up buying it for Michael, and he loves it and wears it all the time. Also, don't mind the paint chips that are up on our wall. We're using Claire paint. We're finally going to make over this bedroom because you can see it sadly needs like a little bit of love, and I'm using Claire paint, and they send you these like stickable paint chips, which is brilliant. Tackling the nightstand, and of course there's why is there so many wires? Why is there so many wires by the nightstand always? I'm not sure. And of course, once again, Toddler steals the camera. He is cute though, isn't he? He's very cute. Alright guys, and this is about where I'm going to leave you. I'm going to bring Nito upstairs, who's our robot vacuum, to do some vacuuming for us. He is my favorite, one of my favorite family members. I really love him a lot. This video is going to be a freebie this week. It's not going to be one of my normal Sunday videos. I'm going to post it as like an extra freebie since it's not my normal content, but I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope you're having a fantastic day, and I will see you all in my next video.